Hi viewers, welcome to a windy Butterley railway line. The train in front is the one they're using today. It's a pacer train. It's class 141 apparently. Looks more like a, well, it's like red, isn't it? Red and yellow. Well, here comes Kev, the train driver. Here he is, the train driver. Checking the wheels are on the train and everything's all right. Up he gets into a cab. He's got to go along there a bit further and then he's got to come back on himself like that. So there's more trains up there as well. 142 I think might be up there. So we'll wait for the train to come round and then we'll wait till it comes up a bit closer, shall we? Yeah. At the moment the driver and his mate is in the signal box. Just in the front of a train. And now they're coming out back onto a train, yeah. So any time shortly that train should go forward and then it will turn round and come back. There we are now, yeah. Seaside Special. Go up there a little way, then the signal man will change it over to this track nearest to us. Right, the man's going back in the signal box, I believe, yeah. All these signals change. Somebody in the background is cutting the grass. Is the signal going to change, do you reckon? Chap in a signal box is pulling his levers, whatever he's doing. I think he's changing a track actually. The train's ready to come back this way. It's having a tough job in a signal box, it is. More like a workout. Oh yeah. Pulling this lever down and that lever down. Oh. There you go, that's moved. The signal moved down, yeah. So that must mean it's safe to come, is it? I suppose, I don't know. train's approaching now. It will probably stop to pick the man up in the signal box. I thought so. Going to stop there, I think. Let a man get into the cab. Yeah, that's it. Just lock the signal box up, mate, that's it, and then jump in a cab and we can get on the train. And we're off, we're coming into a station now. Bit noisy, isn't it, that old Chevy? Bit noisy, isn't it? It's going to York, I don't think so. Well, what we do, we pop along to a train and have a quick look inside, yeah? Right, come on then.
I did.
Yep. Let's have a quick look inside, quick. We've been in there before, this one, haven't we?
Oh, there's that collectible one.
Oh, is that the one we went on last time?
Yeah, I think so.
That's it.
Driver's view, look.
It's going to travel that way, so
Got a telephone.
face that way. That's the inside.
All the controls in there, look.
Still here, we've got the helmets.
That's a driver's view, that is. Welcome to British summer, everybody. August the 21st, I believe, 2024, and not much sunshine about, and it's coat wearing weather day, I believe, well, for me anyway. Today's train 14113 Pacer train, and another one over there, M84020. That's not moved, well, in ages actually, months and months. That's not moved. And down there we go through the bridge. So we take a walk down there, find out what we can find down there. Here we have Butterley signal box, and up here we've got some trains. 142. That's a blue one, Pacer train, which my old friend Kev, the train driver, drives sometimes. Now this one I've not seen before, the 142013, I've not seen that before. Oops, nearly tripped over there. That's an orangey colour one, isn't it? I ain't seen that one before. I wonder when that one's going to be running in. It's been painted, isn't it? Look, fresh paint. Yeah. 55604. That looks freshly painted to me, but still, I could be wrong. And you've got the old 142, the blue one. That's a Pacer train. What's that dirty one in the middle? Anybody know what that dirty one is? And I was right, that one is being painted. And maybe that's going to go into service soon, I don't know. I'll find all the tracks. Oh, blimey, it's windy, if you can hear me, it's windy. It's a cold wind, my friends. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains. Yeah, no. So there will be a train coming from that direction in a little while. So we'll hang around for it and we get a picture from it here, yeah. Oh, that wind is strong as well. What's that one on the other side? L0262, that one. So there's a few trains for any train spotters. And there's the old signal box. Now what is that down there? Is that the outside toilet? Is it for the workmen? I don't know. And then you've got a lot of junk here. And lots of overgrown railway tracks, look. So I think the next train will be that one we've just seen down the other end. What was it, a 142 or 141? 141, wasn't it? Yeah. That will be going our direction shortly, so we'll hang around for that. And then we'll see what we're going to do afterwards, shall we folks? Yeah, right. Bear with me, I'll be back in a minute. Can you see the train on the left hand side? That's the one that's coming this way shortly. There's a man up there painting a train, see? Oh. Down here we've got a very old train here. This green one, well, since last time I come, looks like it's been refurbished. Bit of paintwork on it, bit cleaning up, yep. That's been cleaned up since last time I come down here. A lot of seats all piled up behind the window now, look. Come down here, and we've got some more trains down here. That's a new one, I can see down there. That orangey colour one, that's a new one, that is. Yeah, painting that one, look, they've been painted.